Today, I, Jasmine of class 8, will tell a thought on examination. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. I repeat, education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Thank you. Have a good day.
नमस्कार, मैं सानवी कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा आज आपके सामने परीक्षा के ऊपर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के जीवन में परीक्षा का बहुत महत्व है। परीक्षा हमें हमारी अच्छाइयाँ और कमियाँ बताती है। यह हमें हमारी गलतियाँ बताकर उन्हें सही करवाती है और आगे बढ़ने में सहायता करती है। परीक्षा के माध्यम से हमें पता लग जाता है कि कहाँ हम पीछे हैं और हम उन्हें सुधार कर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। यदि हम परीक्षा में सफल होते हैं तो आगे बढ़ते हैं और विफल होते हैं तो हमें अनुभव मिलता है और कुछ नया सीखते हैं जो हमेशा याद रहता है। परीक्षा हमारे व्यक्तित्व और ज्ञान को निखारता है। यदि समय समय पर परीक्षा का आयोजन नहीं किया जाए तो हम कभी भी अपनी गलती नहीं जान सकेंगे और कुछ नया नहीं सीख सकेंगे। परीक्षा में हमें सफलता मिले या विफलता, दोनों ही हमें बहुत कुछ सिखा जाती है। यदि हम सफल होते हैं तो हम एक नए पड़ाव पर चले जाते हैं और यदि विफल होते हैं तो हमें बहुत कुछ अनुभव मिल जाता है जो ज़िंदगी भर काम आता है। परीक्षा के बिना हम कभी भी खुद की कमियां को नहीं जान सकते। परीक्षा हमें ज़िंदगी के बारे में समझाता है और कुछ अच्छा सीखकर आगे बढ़ाती है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all. I am Sana of class 10th A. Today I will tell you about a very important topic, importance of examination. We give many exams in our life which play a very important role. Examination is very important in our life because it tells us whatever we have learnt, we will remember it or not. Then we will be able to know where we are making a mistake so that we can correct our mistake and learn well. Examination enhances our personality and learning power. If the exams will not be conducted from time to time, then we will never be able to donate our mistakes and learn something new. We have a lot to learn from either success or failure in the exams. If we are successful, then we go to a new stage, and if we fail, we get many experience which are useful to us throughout our life. Without examination, we will never know about our shortcomings. Exams explain us about life and led us to learn something good in our life. In the last, I want to say that examination is very important. We should give all the examination in our life.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am here to share my views on the topic, importance of examinations. Exams, the great fear of students. Whether exams are important? Yes, obviously, they are the most important part of our life. With the help of examination only, one can know his or her strengths and weaknesses. They are part of growth of students. They make us confident. Exams are essential for knowledge and capability testing. Examination don't mean creating a sense of depression among the students. They are intended to develop a sense of responsibility among them. Remember, never panic. Don't take stress. Take it easy and be ready for the future competitions. In the end, I would like to conclude my speech with these words. Stay positive and work hard and make it happen. Thank you and have a nice day.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरी पोएम का नाम है परीक्षा। परीक्षा 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 सिर पर चढ़कर बोलती है, दिमाग के पर्दे खोलती है। परीक्षा आई तो डर कैसा, सब कुछ तो है पहले जैसा। परीक्षा आई तो मत घबराओ, खूब पढ़ो अच्छे बनकर, अपना ज्ञान बढ़ाओ। हर वर्ष परीक्षा आती, जीवन में सफलता लाती। मन लगाकर अगर पढ़ोगे, अच्छे नंबर से पास करोगे। अच्छे नंबर से पास करोगे, माता पिता का आशीष पाओगे। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे, बाय।
You are so close to the victory. Don't you dare give up now. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Durga from 4th class. Exams are coming, so I'm recite a poem on it. Exams are here, exams are there. Tension and fear is everywhere. Fear of exam is so high. For some exams like ghost. By studying whole the night, the body can't roast. But the fact is, one should not fear the exams. Exam makes intelligent and wise. Thank you, Bachelor, for exam.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aryan. The theme of my poem is examination. I hope you remember everything. I hope you forget nothing. I hope you never suffer from self-doubt. I hope your luck never runs out. I hope that you achieve perfection. I hope your result call of celebration. Good luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Misha. I am in class 3rd B and my slogan is you get what you focus on, so focus on what you want. Thank you.